I've got some horrible hiccups.
Take a deep breath, hold it for 10 to 20 seconds, then slowly exhale. Repeat a few times. You can improve this method by gently pressing on your wrist while holding your breath. Slowly drink a glass of water in small sips without stopping. For a stronger effect, use a straw and tilt your head downward while drinking. Hard level, bend forward, lift your head, and try to take a sip of water. Swallowing will feel uncomfortable, but this trick actually works. Try a spoonful of sugar or honey and let it dissolve slowly. Massage your neck around the carotid arteries. Tickle or lightly irritate the back of your throat, for example, by mimicking the gag reflex. Pull your knees to your chest, hug them, and hold the position for 1 to 2 minutes.
I hope these methods help you.